So what is the goal of a faceless lead generation affiliate funnel? It is to profit and scale your business. 3 simple steps to do that. We're going to talk about that in a second, but the concept here is to nurture leads into sales, generate leads through an affiliate marketing funnel, and then really think about what that squeeze page is for, or what that lead generation funnel, the very first page. It's going to be a lead magnet, which is a landing page that's going to attract potential customers based on your target audience and the fact that you're going to create valuable content that solves a problem with your audience. And then the ultimate goal, the affiliate marketing funnel, is a roadmap to profit. And the ultimate goal is to make money. Of course, inside of affiliating my profitable online business 9-step roadmap, I have the proven top strategy, which is to generate traffic to an offer and then put people on an email list. 3 foundational phases. Starts by picking a topic. We're going to take a look at the tools and the technology that you need to build this funnel here in this video. And then I'm going to show you how AI can create the consistent content to actually create this super simple lead magnet with the end goal to build your email list. And then I'm going to show you the tool that will automate this passive income and allow you to profit and scale your business. So why don't we jump into the tool right now and the technology? There's a link in the description that will take you over to my System.io crash course. And here you're going to find their affiliate marketplace. Under your dashboard, after you get your account, you're going to have your main dashboard, your affiliate dashboard, your student dashboard. Then you want to check out the marketplace. This is where they have affiliate offers that you're going to find here to build out your faceless profit funnel. This is the Legacy Builders program. Just click on that link. It'll take you over to their affiliate offer page. You can see here you get 50% commissions, and you have an opt-in page and a sales page. We want to focus here on the sales page, so we're going to click promote offer. It's going to open up the sales page. You need to understand what this product is about, but we're going to let AI do the heavy lifting, and I'm going to show you that here in a second, just by simply copying all the information on this page. Because what we want to do is we want to let people know through our content, starting with content that AI is going to create for us. We want to let them know how we can help solve their problem. And then we're going to offer up our email squeeze page. They're going to give us their name and their email. Then we are going to craft a few emails, and AI can do this for you as well. But I want you to focus here on actually thinking about getting people on an email list, because you want to let them know about your affiliate offer. And this is the sales funnel part of actually earning a profit or getting to a profit. And inside the 9-step roadmap, we walked through this, but I'm gonna clear that off and I'm gonna say, okay, we have 9 steps. Affiliating profitable online business. We want to get to profit. We want to make money. So we have a topic. In this case, we're giving away this idea, this concept of creating passive income. We know the tools and the technology is now all inside of one simple, super simple system called System.io, link in the description for my crash course. Now we want to take a look at creating consistent content to actually build out this super simple lead magnet to get started, and then focus on building out that email list, and then take a look at the tools or see how simple it's going to be to automate this to actually, again, get to step 9, which is profit, which is the goal to make money with this faceless funnel profit system. So back down to creating consistent content, I'm going to pop over to Google Gemini, and then I'm going to give you a prompt, and it is, please create me 5 social media posts and a super simple lead magnet headline to get people to opt in to learn more about this product, which will help them. Don't wait. Join an exclusive community of online business owners that are earning daily pay. The Legacy Builders program with master resale rights. You might not know where this came from, but if you were paying attention earlier in the video, you would know that we looked at the sales page, and you don't even need to read the sales page, but you should take a look at the product and make sure it is a good product. But we're just going to select all the text on this page and hit copy, and then take that back and then just paste that here into Gemini. So we would just paste that in under our prompt there, and then we'll collapse that because I've already done this to save a little time for you. Here are 5 social media posts and a lead magnet headline for the Legacy Builders program. This is the lead magnet headline. This is when we build the page inside of System.io, we're simply just going to put this headline and let them know how to unlock your daily pay blueprint. Download your free guide to automating your online business, even if you're a total beginner. Then there are 5 social media posts with exactly what to put in each of the style of post right here from Gemini. Now you may be asking, or you may think, where am I going to create the free guide to automating your online business? Well, remember, go back to System.io. It has everything you need under your dashboard, marketplace. Click on the Legacy Builders program. Click on that. It's going to open up the page here. They have an opt-in page. This opt-in page, you're going to link to this on your squeeze page. Let's take a look at how this exactly works. There's people on the internet, they're looking to solve a problem. Your content has the solution to that problem, and you're going to let people know about it via your email squeeze page. This squeeze page is going to let them enter their name and their email. Then you're going to automate it to follow up with an email with the information they want, which is your affiliate offer. In this case, it's not the sales page. We go back to the System.io marketplace. They have this opt-in page. You click here, take a look at this. After you've collected their email, you're going to send them back to this page so they can discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint. The key here is understanding that you never have to show your face. You just need to sign up for System.io. There's a link in the description. They have the offer right here for you. And then you have the ability here to build out your own sales funnel, to build out that squeeze page where you're going to add people to your email list. It's called contacts here in System.io. And then you're going to start sending them emails, and you can, of course, automate all that through rules and workflows. Remember, the ultimate goal is to build an affiliate marketing funnel and use a proven roadmap to profit, with the idea that you are targeting an audience that has a problem. You identify their pain points, you create simple content, or you let the AI do it, and then you convert those visitors into leads with a super simple lead magnet, send them to a dedicated landing page that has the solution to their problem. Then you nurture those leads through emails that you are going to follow up with them. You're going to send them because they raised their hand and they said, hey, send me this information. You're going to promote it with a product you find inside of System.io, and then you are going to ultimately reach the end goal with your lead generation affiliate funnel. And you don't even need to show your face, just like I never showed my face in this video, to profit and scale your own profitable online business. Link in the description to check out System.io crash course. Is going to walk you through exactly how to profit and scale your business in excruciating detail. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.